The transducer delivers an ultrasonic beam and provides real-time acoustic and optical feedback on treatment. It uses multi-directional acoustic waves to ensure that focused energy is applied to the selected area only. Specific ultrasound parameters of pulse length and energy level ensure selective damage to fat cells only. Non-adipose tissue, not being susceptible to these parameters, remained undamaged. The ultrasound wave causes mechanical disruption of fat cell membranes. The content, primarily made up of triglycerides, is released into the interstitial fluid, where they are processed by physiological metabolic pathways. As the cell membranes are compromised and triglycerides are released, the body begins a gradual process of breaking them down into glycerol and free fatty acids. The free fatty acids bind to albumin and are slowly transported to the liver and used as building blocks or energy. It has been clinically demonstrated that the capacity of the body to carry away triglyceride molecules is much greater than the amount of triglycerides released through treatment.